Hey everyone, and welcome back to another one of our virtual science shorts. My name's Nicole, and today we're going to be making an awesome DIY terrarium craft. So let's go ahead and see what supplies we need. For today's craft, we're going to need some soil, rocks or pebbles, some moss, and a bowl. If you guys think about it, the earth is sort of like a terrarium. If you picture the earth as your bowl here, what would make up all of our plants in our terrarium? Let's think. Maybe our rainforests, our trees, our shrubberies, and then we're going to need a source of water so that way they can drink it up and grow really big and tall. So what would that be considered? Maybe our oceans, our lakes, and our rivers, right? So let's go ahead and see how to make our awesome terrarium. For our first step, we're going to go ahead and take our bag of rocks and place them on the bottom of our bowl. Our second step is to take our moss and put that on top of our rocks or our pebbles. And you can start to break this up a little bit and place it around the bottom of your terrarium until you have the desired look that you would like. Next, we're going to add in our soil. So we're going to make sure that we pour this evenly. And we might have to move it around just a tad. And we want to kind of put that in the center. So for our terrarium, we actually have some seeds. And these seeds are going to go in the center of our soil. So we're going to place them in there and then cover them up just a tad. So right in the center. Now the seeds that you use can be anything from wildflower seeds to bean sprouts to tomatoes. But today I use some wildflower seeds. And this terrarium looks pretty good, but I feel like we can add a little bit more. So I found some stuff around the Science Center that I think might make my terrarium a little cool. So we found some little plants and then some really cool ocean figurines, some little animals. So I'm going to go ahead and spice up my terrarium by putting these inside. All right, everyone, and this is our final terrarium product, and I think it came out pretty cool. We got some plants, we have our seeds in the center, and then we have some really cool ocean animals added in. So in order to take care of our terrarium, we learned that we have to add the seeds and the soil for our plant to grow, but what's that one last missing step? We need water, right? And maybe some sunlight. So make sure that you guys put this in a really well-lit area, or if you have a little shaded but sunny spot outside. You also want to make sure that you're not over-watering your seeds. So anytime you walk by and you see the soil is a tad bit dry, you can go ahead and give it a little spritz of water so that way the seed inside can get hydrated and stay healthy and warm and grow into a really beautiful plant just like the one behind me. All right, everyone, thank you so much for making your DIY terrariums with me. And don't forget to subscribe to our Science Center YouTube channel so that way you guys can see videos every other Friday. My name's Nicole, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!